Okay, Councilor Cirillo Adoc, the Chairman of Finance, moves to adopt the said resolution declaring valid and operational the annual budgets of the 4 barangays. Any second? Seconded by Councilor Ranoy, Councilor Rapago, Councilor Raul Bakay, Councilor Abdonan G. Bakay. Any objection? Amendment, discussion, hearing none, the said resolution is hereby adopted. Next item. So, we are done with our business of the day. So, our resource speaker is here regarding the proposed resolution regarding the Victory Liner Incorporated. So, we will first suspend the rules and for us to accommodate our guests. Madam Secretary.
Our resource person for the resolution authorizing City Mayor Arthur F. Celeste to enter into a deed of sale by and between the City Government of Alaminos and Victory Liner Incorporated is our City Budget Officer, Madam Rowena Ruiz.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Your Honor. We are here again for the resolution for the authority of the mayor to purchase or enter into a deed of sale between Alaminos City and the Victory Liner. Ito po yung kanilang bus na second hand na to, sir. Ang amount po dito is 550,000.
Again, ma'am, please give us a brief background regarding this. Magbibigay po sila na, magbibenta po sila ng bus?
Yes po. 550,000 po yung amount niya. So, kukunin po natin ito sa purchase of motor vehicles under the general fund of the city mayor.
Any questions, Councilor Humid de Versosa?
Yes, Mr. President. Bakit po tayo bibili? Last time po, di ba bibigyan tayo ng bus? Ngayon, bibili na lang tayo ng second hand.
Kasi po, twice na yata silang nagbigay. So, parang, kasi inayos po nila yung loob ng Victory para man lang daw
Yung dati.
Opo.
Yung mga dati.
Hindi po, hindi bibigay. Kasi yung first na dagupa, Victory bus po natin is during the Braganza administration. And then meron po silang binigay kay Mayor Celeste.
Hindi na nila kayo
Ito po kasi, makuha man lang daw po sana nila kasi parang inayos po nila.
But, ma'am, what is the status of yung dalawang bus natin?
Yung during Braganza's administration po, talagang wala na po yun.
Bibigay na o bumigay na?
Bumigay na. Although pwede pa pag mga short distance, hindi na siya matulin, sir. Hindi na Tapos yung, yun na lang yung gumagana. At saka yung poster din po natin kasi matagal na rin. Panahon din ni Mayor Braganza. Kaya kailangan po natin yung malaki-laking sasakyan for mass transport po.
Councilor Cirillo Adoc,